Now that your domain, business email, and website are ready, the next question is simple. How do you actually use them to grow your brand? In this module, I will show you how to use your online foundation to attract customers both online and offline in a simple, practical way. Your domain, email, and website are not just setup steps, they are powerful marketing tools. Your domain is your identity. Your business email builds professionalism, and your website becomes your marketing hub. No matter where people discover you, everything should lead back to your website. Many businesses start offline, but today customers always check online before they trust. Add your website to your visiting cards, print it on your brochures, display it on your shop board, add it to your invoices and your WhatsApp profiles. You can add a QR code that takes people directly to your website. When people see your brand offline, your website builds your trust online. When it comes to online marketing platforms, you don't need to be everywhere. Just start simple. Choose one or two platforms where your audience already spends time. Google Business helps local discovery. Social media like Facebook, Instagram builds visibility. Educational content builds trust. Simple formula: educate, show proof, invite action. Marketing works only when customers can contact you easily. Make sure your website clearly shows how people can contact you. Add a WhatsApp contact button to your website. Keep enquiry forms simple and show your phone number clearly on your website. When it comes to leads, the faster you respond, the more trust you build. If you're feeling unsure about choosing the right domain, do not worry. Our team can help you find the best domain for your brand. Just get the Infinity Brand Booster bundle and we will handle it all for you. Okay, now let's make this practical. Here's a simple 30-day plan you can follow to market your brand with your domain, email, and website. Now that your domain, business email, and website are ready, you might be wondering what comes next. Many people stop here, not because they lack ambition, but because they lack clarity. The online world can feel confusing. Too many platforms, too many opinions, and too many things to do. But growing your brand online doesn't have to be complicated. In this section, we'll simplify everything into a clear 30-day plan you can actually follow. In this, no complex marketing tactics, no overwhelming strategies, just simple, practical steps. Steps that work whether you are a small business owner, a professional, a coach, or are just getting started. Real growth online doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing the right things consistently. Over the next few lessons, we will focus on 4 powerful foundations. First, you'll activate your existing network. Then you'll start showing up online. Next, you'll build trust. And finally, you'll simplify and refine your brand. These steps may seem simple, but when done consistently, they create real results. You don't need to be perfect, you don't need expensive tools, and you don't need to rush. You just need to take the next step. Let's begin with the most powerful place to start: the people who already know and trust you. In the first week, focus on people who already know you, your friends, customers, contacts, and your local network. You don't need strangers to discover you first. Start with the people who already trust you. Many businesses overlook this step, but your existing network is your fastest source of early momentum. Start by updating your digital profiles. Add your website to your WhatsApp bio and your Instagram and Facebook profiles. If you're using visiting cards, invoices, or brochures, include your website and your professional email there too. You can even share your website on your WhatsApp status. Many brands get their first inquiries in this way. A simple message works best. Something like, "Hi, I have launched my website. You can now visit me at yourbrandonline.net." Here are some real examples of sharing your website. A tutor can share their website with the parents of their students. A boutique owner can share their online catalog with their customers. A consultant can share a LinkedIn update of their website. Small actions create real momentum. This is often the moment when your brand starts to feel real. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Taking the first step builds confidence. And once you take the step, showing up online becomes much easier. Okay then, so let's start with week 2. In week 2, you'll start publishing your website to online platforms. Choose one or two platforms where your audience already spends time. You don't need to be everywhere, just be present where it matters. If you serve local customers, Google Business Profile is one of the most powerful places to start. Add your website, photos, products, service, and contact details so people nearby can discover and trust your brand easily. Instagram works well for visual brands and personal businesses. Add your website link to your bio, share simple posts about what you do, and guide people to explore more through your website. Facebook is effective for community-driven businesses and professions. You can add your website to your page, share updates, and stay connected with people who already know and trust you, and guide them to your website for more information or for buying products or services. YouTube is a powerful platform for building long-term trust. Even simple videos explaining what you do can bring consistent visibility. And always ensure that you include your website link in the description so people can reach your website from your YouTube videos. If you are a professional, consultant, or a service provider, LinkedIn is a great place to grow your brand. Share your insights, tell your story, and add your website so people can learn more about your work and can visit your website to buy your services or your products. Don't underestimate the WhatsApp status. Sharing your website there regularly can bring enquiries, especially from people who are already in your network. Across all platforms, short form videos like Reels and Shorts can also help you stay visible. You don't need perfect videos, just simple, helpful content that leads people back to your website. You don't need to be on every platform. Choose one or two that feel natural to you and stay consistent. What matters most is not where you show up, but how consistently you show up. Okay then, so let's start with week 3. By week 3, people are starting to notice you. Now it's time to build trust. Customers rarely buy instantly. They observe first, they compare, and then look for proof. Start by collecting testimonials from happy customers. Even a short WhatsApp message can be powerful. Here are some testimonial examples. A parent thanking a tutor, a client appreciating your service, a customer loving your product. These real voices build real trust. Add testimonials to your website. Share one testimonial as a post and if possible, collect Google reviews. You can also improve your About page. Share why you started, who you help, and what you believe in. Share your vision and your mission statement. People don't just connect with brands, they connect with the people behind the brand. If you have worked with known clients or brands, you can mention them to strengthen your credibility. In week 4, focus on clarity and simplicity. Many businesses try to grow by adding more posts, more platforms, more tools, but growth often comes from simplifying. First, check if it's easy for people to contact you. Is your phone number clearly visible? Is your WhatsApp contact button working? Make sure your website clearly explains what you do, who you help, and how people can get started. If visitors feel confused, they leave. If they feel clarity, they inquire. Shorter service descriptions, clear pricing ranges, simple call to action buttons, small changes can create big results. Also check how your website looks on mobile. Most visitors will come from their mobile phones. A fast, simple website builds trust instantly. If you're feeling unsure about choosing the right domain, do not worry. Our team can help you find the best domain for your brand. Just get the Infinity Brand Booster bundle and we will handle it all for you. By following this simple 30-day plan, you have taken powerful steps towards building your brand online. You activated your network, showed up online, built trust, and improved clarity. And most importantly, you have built momentum. And growth online doesn't come from one big action, it comes from small, consistent steps. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to stay consistent. With the right guidance, you can grow faster and avoid costly mistakes. And whenever you're ready, we are here to support your journey. And if you prefer someone experienced to handle everything for you, from your domain and business email to a fully managed website, the Infinity Brand Booster bundle is designed to make that journey simple and stress-free.